So you want to be a day trader, huh? Wake up, print some money, flex on Instagram, disappear to Bali. Sounds great. Except it doesn't work like that. Let's break this down for real. Day trading is the art of buying and selling something, stocks, options, futures, forex, crypto, within the same day. In and out, no overnight bag, no sleeping with risk. You've probably heard other terms too, like scalping, swing trading, or just investing. And here's the difference. Scalping, blink and it's over. You're in for seconds or minutes, grabbing a few cents or ticks, really small price moves, typically with a higher win rate. Swing trading, you're holding positions for days, maybe weeks. You're dating the stock, you're really getting to know her, you know what I mean? And then there's investing, and well, with investing, you're getting married. You might even name your kid Dividend. And then there's day trading. You're in, you're out in the same day. It's like speed dating with money on the line. So what can you trade? Well, there's a whole menu of stuff you can trade. Let me give you the sampler platter. You can trade stocks, which are shares of company like Apple or Nvidia. That's typically the gateway drug. Then you have options. Options are contracts on those stocks that give you leverage. They give you more high risk, and they're a little bit more complicated. You can also trade forex, which is currencies. Think USD versus the euro. It's personally not my cup of tea, but if you like it, more power to you. The markets are open basically 24/7 in forex. When you're trading currencies, news is often a big factor in your trading, so you got to pay attention to the news if you're into currencies a lot of the time. So it's not my favorite thing to trade, but you can also trade forex currencies. Then we have futures. Futures are contracts on stuff like the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, oil, gold. They're fast, leveraged, and there's no pattern day trader role with futures. Now, where can one trade, you might ask? And there are options. You got two main paths. You can either trade with your own personal cash, or you can trade with someone else's. A cash account, you fund it yourself. You are fully in control. It's your own money, but depending on how much money you have, your capital is potentially limited. And then over the last few years, we as traders have seen the emergence of prop firms. Prop firms are companies that give you a demo challenge. There are roles and parameters in place. If you pass the challenge, you then get access to their funded capital. So there's roles, there's targets, you gotta avoid blowing up, and they also keep a cut of the profit. So, there's give and take to trading your own cash account versus a prop firm. Prop firms are a great way to leverage capital if you don't have access to large amounts of capital, but there's definitely more roles that you have to follow. And we'll dive into that in more detail later on in this playlist. So next we have the tools of the trade. You need a place to click buy and cry. First up, and my personal favorite, is Think or Swim by Charles Schwab. It's great for stocks and options. It has a clean user interface. To me, it's the best charting platform. I like it. I'm a big Think or Swim guy. So Think or Swim, it's a free download. You can do a desktop download, or you can also get a web version, and that's from Schwab. You can just Google that. I can put a link in the video description as well. Another popular one is TradingView. It's great for charting nerds. It's beautiful. It's good for social. It's great for forex and futures charts. It's got it all. TradingView is great. Then there's MetaTrader. MetaTrader is like forex OG. NinjaTrader, Tradeovate. These are ones that are very common with futures traders and prop firms. Newer into the mix recently, we have Project X, which is another platform that prop firms are using. So we're starting to see more of that in the prop firm space as well, a platform called Project X. Check them out, pick your poison. The best platform is the one that helps you execute cleanly and doesn't crash mid-trade. You obviously do not want to be trading with a broker or a trading platform that's not going to hold up, that's not going to work for you well, but all of the ones that I talked about here are known as the top reliable ones out there. So that's the world of trading in a nutshell. You now know what it is, what you can trade, where to trade it, and how to get started. And if that felt like a lot, good. It is a lot. But that's why we're building this playlist, to help you survive the chaos and maybe even thrive in it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep watching.